Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the Starship Enterprise. Its continuing mission to ... And the last one is to boldly go where no one has gone before. So that one in front of you, at least, well, I don't say no one has gone before, but seniors at least don't go there. This is the new prefab student hostel where they have put first yearites of all kinds, which is why actually my previous comment about seniors. So there's a small ground over here where the guys are playing, and that's the gate, and they have a gatekeeper. Does the gatekeeper allow us in? Let's find out. Okay, so we are doing a running shot of that prefab construction student hostel, which is air cooled. Okay, and you can see how it goes on. It's on one floor and it's prefab. And we'll go inside and have a look in a moment. So this is one of the entrances of the block. We're just going in. So prefab, nice looking decor, but okay. So let's see. Just have a look. It's damn dark, man. Okay. This is the corridor, internal corridor. You guys are all first year? Yeah. Okay, right. So how does it look? How does the air cooling work?
Not yet.
You don't have it. It's not working. Okay. Fine. No. We are just showing these fellows. See, have a look at how the room is different flooring, walls, finishing, and double seated. Okay. So now this is the view of the what would be the QT in the normal Bhavan. Okay, so it's between the wings. In fact, you fellows, I'm also coming here for the first time. I haven't seen this thing. See, you can see the Sirika tower in the background over there. For whoever remembers it. Okay, so they've got these long wings, double-seated wings with this ground in between. You can't play cricket, unfortunately. I think if you play by the rules we had in those days, the fellow will get out every time he hits the ball up there. Okay. Right, but interesting looking, I think. Yeah, what say you guys? Okay, same Bhavan, other end. So one wing is shorter than the others, where you can see this AC ka machine over there, and the rest of it is the other two wings are still stretched out, and you can see at the other end also we've got something. What on earth is that anyway? So the mess. Okay, fine, good. Had a good view of the new Bhavan? Fine. So this is the new prefab Bhavan. Okay. Now we have just come out of the hostel. So we are still behind the clock tower, behind the institute cafeteria as it used to be. In fact, to be precise, what you are looking at shortly is behind M block, FD2. So this building you can see coming up over here is the new workshop building under construction. I guess most of you have not seen this either, so we are just covering it, though it was actually built a little while earlier. So what we are panning is the new library building, both central and reference sections. One building on top you can see BITS library, and we are just we'll go in and take a couple of shots too. What you're seeing is the roof of the porch of the library. Now, don't argue with me whether it's a porch or a portico, but they're all paintings on top over there, which at least some of you fellows might recognize. Now, and what's straight in front of us is the entrance to the library where we are going in, and I'll keep quiet for some time. But we'll go in and take a panning shot. Okay, sorry, inside the library. Can't talk too loudly. Staircase going up and moving towards the central atrium. Just have a look at, it's a nice looking building. You can focus a little bit on the central atrium. This is the view from upstairs looking down towards the main entrance. Panning shot. It's fine. Central atrium, right at the center. Vertical panning shot. We are now outside the library building and making a panning shot. At the end over there, we'll go and take a close-up of it shortly, is the lecture theatre complex, the so-called new lecture theatre complex. This is the close-up of, as I mentioned earlier, the new lecture theatre complex, popularly known as FD5. Please note, authorities will tell you it is not a faculty division and not to be called FD5, but all the rooms are numbered starting with 5. We'll go inside and take a quick sweep around. We'll not go into the classrooms. Just see how it is outside. It is also a single-story construction. We don't go inside the classes because the classes are pretty much like those lecture theatres which we used to have in S Block. For those of you who don't remember what a lecture theatre is, it used those huge rooms which had those very long benches and tables fitted single unit at different levels in the class as you keep going up, as you keep going back. Cycles parked outside the SAC. As I was mentioning, behind Buddh Bhavan next to Malviya, between Malviya and Vidyapeeth, if you are very keen on knowing exactly where, and we are going inside. Actually, Siddharth, you should tell me what is this wide open space over here?
So this is a place where every department and club meets up.
Okay, now take a
As you can see.
sweeping shot of everything.
That would be a department interaction in progress.
Okay, okay,
Various
fine,
departments.
fine. Go ahead, take whatever it is. So behind these corridors, we've got some other amenities. One side we've got the gym, and the side where he's focusing now, you've got the canteen, the Food King. Yeah, we're going back to the gym side.
And that right there would be the SU room behind the corridor.
Students' Union room,
Yeah.
yeah. They've shifted the Students' Union over here.
Yeah.
From where it used to be behind Vyas Bhavan and opposite the medical center.
And we've got a pool table over there.
Pool table, okay. Good. The radies have now shifted to these kind of shacks. There's the side of Buddh Bhavan with the back wing. Shack still taking a sweeping shot. Coming to Food King, which is the eatery over there. Malviya Bhavan extensions. Of course, it's just called Malviya Bhavan these days because the extension is the bit which they have chopped off at the back of Mira Bhavan. But they built a new Malviya Bhavan. I mean, they built a new set of these rooms which you can see in front of you. Very similar in style to Mira Bhavan. In fact, partly because once upon a time they converted this to a girls' hostel for some time. And in front of us is the mess where we'll be going in a few moments. Sweeping shots starting from where we were looking at the Bhavan. Now it's been extended next to the SAC actually. So one side you've got the SAC building with the gym, and which you're seeing now, and then behind it is yet another block of the Malviya Bhavan. Malviya Bhavan mess. The effects of Sodexo, I think. All these things on the wall at the back over there. Another view of the other Malviya Bhavans. Coming back to the mess. Okay, same building from a different view, and just next to it you will see is the project office of the construction company. That's also a prefab structure. Another shot of the construction site. Just to remind you guys, this is where the Ceylons used to be, where you fellows, kept playing those cricket matches and cribbing afterwards about the umpiring. Okay, a slightly better view of the same thing. We are able to come a little closer. So this is the building going on over there. And you can see the roof. When you come back to the roof, they'll again put mud and lay grass over there. Same site, different angle. Looking down from the road between Gandhi statue and Patel statue. On the corridor going towards the director's office, and this is it. Have a look. This is the rotunda of the new building, and look carefully. What you can see is the rotunda plus level 1 and the lawn on top of it. What you cannot see, where construction is still going on a little further down, is that there is a level 2. But we'll go a little closer to the center and take a shot going straight down, and perhaps at that point you'll be able to appreciate those things a little better. Now this is from the road in front of the director's office, the road going to the porch. Parallel to it there's a new road. Where the D-lawn used to be, this is what you see. Full 360-degree view. So in case you're having any trouble placing it, now you can see where you are. Good. So ending of the snippets. With me is my project student Siddhant Bharadwaj, who has been, well, okay, I didn't arm twist him very much. He's kind enough to volunteer. See the big grin there. Okay, but I think I will have to catch you fellows on, whatever you promised, Mishra. So I'll get back to you on that. Okay, hope it was of some interest to you all. Bye.